Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change or reset your login credentials. Throughout the video, I'll be going over changing your email address, changing your password, and resetting your password. Okay, let's get started. Once you're signed into Podpal, you can access your login credentials by going to the top navigation, clicking your profile picture, and clicking Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, use the tab navigation and go to Email and Password. On this page, you can change your email address and update your current password. To update your email address, click on the Change Email button. You'll be prompted to provide your current password, and then you'll be able to choose a new email address. Podpal will send you a verification email to update your email address. Follow the instructions to complete the change. Changing your password is just as easy, but this option only works if you created your Podpal account using an email and password. If you created your account by signing in through Google or Facebook, your password will be managed through those platforms. To change your Podpal password, click the Change Password button and provide your current password. And below, add and confirm your new password. Podpal will let you know once you've met the security standards. Once you're done, make sure to click the Save button. Now, let's look at the process to reset your password. On the Podpal sign-in page, click Forgot Password and provide the email address you use with your account. Then click the Send Email button. Podpal will send you a verification email to reset your password. Follow the instructions to complete the process and then log back in with the updated password. Okay, that's it. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert.